Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can register and set up your account on the Deriv broker. So why are we choosing this company? One is because you can trade synthetics indices like the volatility 75, the boom and crash, and so on. Now another reason is because you can trade every single day, neither it is Sunday, Monday, any day of the week you can trade. And another reason is because you can open a trade with a very little lot size, as little as 0.001 dollars. So if you want to know how this works, stick to this video till the end. What up guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel Urban Time, where we make review on money making applications and websites just to bring you guys the best, nothing but the best. So if today is your first time on my YouTube channel and you're listening to my voice for the very first time, and you also want to know how to make money online through cryptocurrencies using your mobile phones and your laptops, go down below of this video, smash the subscribe button, click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I upload a brand new update on how to make some extra cash online. So quickly, I won't take much of your time, let's jump into today's episode. In this video, let's just do what we are supposed to do now, is by signing up. So if you want to join me and do the same thing right now, you have to click on the link in the description of this video. It's gonna come up to this page like this. Then you just have to sign up. All you need to do now is put in your email address. Let's go. All right, then you agree. Sorry, then you agree, then create a demo account. We sent a message to your email, okay, with a link to activate. So let's go to the email and quickly check. I think that's it. I just received an email. Good. From deriv. You are nearly there. All right, verify. Okay, all I need to do now is verify my email by clicking here. Okay, now you have to set up all these details. Right now I'm in Benin, so I'm going to use Benin. Next. Now I'm going to put my password. Okay, now password done. Now start trading. Okay, now we are into the account already. Now we've created our trading account. It's a demo account anyway. So what you need to do, where would you like to start trading? Let's go on the CFDS. Yes, click the CFDS. Okay, now you have the synthetic. You need the real account. All right, so now we have to create our real account. What we created was a demo version, was a demo account. So now we're in the demo. Now we're in the demo version. Now let's just create a real account where we can make deposit and start trading. So all you need to do now is to click on the create deriv account. All right, now the first thing you need to do is choose your method of payment. I prefer using crypto, and I will use Litecoin. I choose Litecoin, then I go next. Then here you have to fill up your name. Then I put my number. Sorry. Okay, 790. All right. Then next. Okay, you need to put in your address. Next, then you go next. Agree. Then add account. Your account is ready. Fund your account. Now we need to add the account that we've created, the real account we've created, to the synthetic. Then all you need to do is click on add real account. Then you can just use the password you used in creating then create. Okay, success. So now all you need to do now is to transfer the fund account, the funds you've already transferred into your account. You've deposited in your account, you transferred it to the real synthetic account so you can start trading right away. So I'll show you how to deposit and transfer funds into your account in the next video. If you love what I just showed you, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more updates coming up. I'll see you again in the next video. Bye. Ciao.